Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change 2019 Hyundai Elantra brake light. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and set the parking brake, then open the trunk and remove cargo to access the tail lamp area. Work in a well-lit spot and wear gloves for protection. Keep bulbs and fasteners in a small tray so nothing gets lost. I will guide you through lamp removal, bulb replacement, and testing so you finish confidently and safely. Now we move on to removing the tail lamp assembly. After opening the trunk, pry off the plastic access panel and use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the visible screws holding the lamp. Pull the lamp straight out with steady pressure to avoid scratching the paint. Unclip the electrical connector by depressing the release tab and separate it from the lamp. Place the removed lamp on a soft surface while you prepare the replacement bulb or assembly for installation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort during long driveway projects. They pair perfectly with the small tasks and long days working on your car. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, enjoy the comfort. Now let's get back to the video. With the lamp assembly accessible, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and remove the old bulb. Always handle the new bulb with clean gloves or a tissue to avoid oil from your skin shortening bulb life. Press the new bulb into the socket and rotate it back into place until it locks. Reattach the lamp assembly and screws, reconnect the battery, and test the brake lights by pressing the brake pedal or using a reflective surface to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.